Which chili will ripen first? The harvest race is on. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Thursday to you all. Thursday the 9th of July 2026, and it's day 144 of the chili grow up. Now you'll notice some gaps here. Interesting, eh? Firstly, let's get some sun on them so the grass doesn't completely die out. And secondly, I've got the rest of them just here. Those are my top 10 performers. So let's have a closer look at them and see which ones are going to get peppers first, pods first, which ones are going to ripen, flowers, all of that. Other than that, hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful Thursday and enjoying this heat. Hope you've got a heat wave going on too. Little Lucy's inside. It's too hot for her and too hot for me as well. But let's do this. Let's get into day 144. Good morning. An egg, madam. An egg. Go on then. Okay, firstly let's start, of course, with the Overwintered Cayenne. Lots of flowers. Lots going on. And of course, lots of chili starting to show. And let's spin them around, as you can see. So, from this, of course, because it was overwintered, this has the best start. But let's have a look at some of the others. Looking good on our overwintered cayenne. And here's the sweet banana. Looking beautiful. It's grown so well. Remember, there was only the one. And if you see here, look, it's starting to get some flowers showing. Spinning around, have another little look. Some more here. So it looks like it's going to be very productive indeed. Sweet banana. Check out these ghost peppers. Just beautiful. Look at the top here. Lots going on. Let's turn it round. That looks like it's starting to become a chili. Flowering back there. Lots of new flowers and buds. Just excellent. It's done so well. The stem on it. Beautiful. Looking good on the ghost pepper. We have a black jalapeno next. And I can't get over. Look at these beautiful, beautiful flowers. We've only got the two at the moment, look. Spinning round. Just beautiful. Very nice, and then you can see more buds starting to appear. Looking lovely. Just remove these bottom leaves here, bottom stems. Let it focus its energy on getting a bit taller and making more peppers. But yeah, looking really good on the black jalapeno. Got our Tabasco next. Now I'm not seeing any flowers yet, but really, really bushy plant, and that's what it's supposed to be, right? See in the middle? So much going on. Loads of new shoots, new leaves. And these peppers kind of grow upright and pointing out the top of the plant, so it looks like we're going to have quite a lot. No flowers yet, no buds yet, but so much going on. Should be fine. Looking really good on the Tabasco. Here's our Poblano. Looking great and just starting to see a few buds appear. There we go. Looking really nice though. Good strong stem. Just starting to see some flowers there, look. Just starting to come along. Very nice on the Poblano. Kashmiri Mirch is next. It's got a copper coil in as well. But looking nice. Starting to really come along. No buds or flowers just yet. But time will tell. Looking great though on the Kashmiri Mirch. This Padrón has gotten so big, needs a bigger support cane, but just look at it. Lots of new buds coming through. Huge, big, bright leaves. So much going on down the middle. Stem is looking great. Yeah, very happy with the Mexican and Latin American chilies. This Padrón is looking perfect. Here is the Armageddon with the copper coil. Look at the size of these leaves. They are just huge. They almost look like spinach leaves, don't they? Like beets, beetroot. Now we've got no peppers coming along yet, but so much going on. It's only a matter of time. Looking great. Looking perfect on the Armageddon. So there we go. That wraps the day up. They're all doing great, aren't they? I just thought those top 10 are doing really, really well, and I just can't wait to see those flowers turn into peppers. Time will tell. Nature will fix that. But so far, as far as I can tell, everything's looking good. They're all handling the heat well as well. I thought there'd be some droopy leaves today, but no, all looking good. I see no issues. So that wraps the day up, everybody. Thank you all so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. Please don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you're interested in our daily vlogs from seed to harvest. Have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday, okay? You take care of yourselves. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a great Thursday, and Lucy and I will see you on Friday. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.